I can't, hey, man, we get mine. Hey, man, I can't wait to get mine, man. The month, the Impala, the 96 SS Impala, one of these, and then 72 Dunk, man. I got everything in these. Chevelle, what Chevelle? And that thing's so clean. It's the real one, too. Real, man, what? Woo. T. Damn. Yeah. Well, I said they put in the garage to save it, really. Yeah. Man, that thing still got the GM hoses, man. You know this the real one. We got the Monte Carlo something. Come on. Oh, man. That battery is old as dirt, boy. That's an old battery. Man, the what's called it, everything in the whole, man, shit crazy, man.
I look at the battery, man. Look, you know, battery.
I would came over there. I ain't got no gas, though.
You know, the early model battery, y'all in black. Then remember they started making them red and black.
Yeah.
Red and black. They don't even make them red and black no more. They just straight black.
Yeah.
Barrel ass black, red and blue with the sticker.
That battery old, boy.
That battery old as hell. That's an early 2000
Man, you said they got all the pieces in the bump.
Early 2000 battery.
Things so clean to do.
Then you
That
got
tiny bit was registered with 98.
98.
what I just said.
Yeah.
Early 2000 battery.
2000 battery, yeah. See, that's nothing I got title for all my old school, too. I was somewhere else.
New Jersey.
My African, well, my ain't
why.
My
That
type
why.
of Kentucky.
That's why
He ain't rushed that bad. He took care of whoever was took care of, bro. They probably didn't drive the car like that. Ain't no telling how many miles on it. How many miles they had on it? That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Hey, ain't nobody, it probably been driven like that, bro. Probably ain't even got 100,000 miles on it, bro.
Nah.
Whole gas tank off before you crank it. Take the whole gas tank off before you crank it. That thing crazy. Oh, yeah. The gas tank look rusted on it.
You feel me?
That thing clean, man. Yeah, the real one. The real one. That thing closing like butter.
Yeah, that ain't nothing. It just need to be oiled up. Cause when you pop
Clean.
it, it stay for about 2 seconds. So you know it need oil.
Like them, like it's smiling at you.
All on refurbished, 150 a piece. He gave with the info to do that for the shop.
Yeah.
You know, we finna buy a quarter some tape. And just cut what we need. Nah, I just talked to him.
Nothing, man.
He talking about, yeah, I'll sell it, bro.
Wait till I get me one.
I'm really gonna be over with it next month. Shit, I'm gonna sold before.
Snap me one up.
You ain't fixing it.
He got down doing. He said, I got some outside, man. He told me, I come outside and look, man, he got it out here for real. I'm like, oh, that boy got one out here for real. I wasn't expecting it. Real one. Real one. Crazy, man. Yeah, I really gotta stay tuned in to this bill, man. Y'all saw it wasn't no speakers in there. Now I got sure I can see my 9 back here. But I really see my 9s in here. But I really need to take them out and do them right. because they hitting up against that fence. This here is rattling. So I really need to take them out and do it right. Show y'all what I'm talking about though. So y'all see how they in here? That right there, nah, they rattling so bad in there. I gotta fix that some way. Nah, I gotta fix that. I gotta figure out how I can't have it back here doing all that rattling. I can hear them things. Like I hear it. Figure that out. Same, I done another Malibu, but they don't work. They told me I should have cut, instead of disconnecting it, I should have cut the wire. You know what I'm saying, right here. Instead of disconnecting this, said I should have cut the wire. And I could have hooked it. So I'm gonna go get some more of these, put in the front. So this is all I got of these back here. And some little tweezers that come in the car. But I gotta go get that taken care of. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know how that sound back there. So I'm gonna fix that too while I'm in it. You know what I'm saying? Not everything got. Not everything got. But the radio, you know, got some keys in the house. But you know, got the Apple CarPlay and all. You know what I'm saying? Good nice radio. Real good radio, man. And you can screen mirror to it from your phone. You can tilt it how you want to tilt it. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm bringing the car all around. And yeah, the ambient lighting in here. I need another bulb for that. This side work, this side ain't. You get another bulb for that. Another armrest. Matter of fact, I just show y'all just look inside the trunk. By this trunk, the trunk wasn't clean when I got this car now. The trunk was not clean like that. I got all that from the junkyard. Or from pull apart, grand white, whatever they call it. The trunk wasn't clean like that. I said, well, the car coming around now. Real deal, budget bill. Man, the car coming around. I gotta still get this fender.